Okay, outdoor learning courses. What do we provide at MPT? So we have a one slick menu. We are a bit like gourmet dining. We just have the one route, the one menu, because we know it works. We don't want you diverting, picking different things that might do well just for that minute, or it might be that's great for 2 months. We have one route, one direction. Because it works, we've got 100% success rate with it. So basically, the level 1 course is free, and it's going to get you to learn about us. Are we what you want? All right, we don't want you diving and paying things when we need to know this is what you want. So you do the level 1 course for free, and then we go on to the level 2 to 4 course. That's the facilitator award. That is going to give you everything you need to set up. So how do you set an outdoor classroom up? What natural items do you need, and how do you store them? How do you inform parents? How do you structure a lesson? How do you do the intro, the main? How do you do plenaries? How do you take circle time activities outside? How do you differentiate? How do you extend support? What do you do with your TAs? How do you do solo, collaborative? How do you model your activities? All of that is covered. How do you link to your particular curriculums? What methods and techniques do you use? How do you do it in all weathers? How do you support your neurodivergent children? All of that is covered in the first stage. So basically, it's the full package. It's going to get you going, all right? And you're going to be able to just move on with teaching and experimenting with your curriculum that way. The level 5, now you don't have to do these in order, but if you haven't done the level 1s to 4, you can't really do the others. But the others you can swap and swip. So level 5 is the outdoor continuous provision, and that focuses on early years outdoor continuous provision, key stage 1 and key stage 2 play. So we call it outdoor continuous provision at key stage 2, but it's how we structure that outdoor and help support that outdoor play. And then the level 6 is the coordinators course. So if you're then wanting to go on and lead this whole school, then that is a year-long course for you, and that supports you every half term with activities to do to give your staff the confidence and the expertise in order for them to then go off and teach outdoor learning within your whole school. And that's all accredited CPD training, and it's just the one route we do. So whether you do that online or whether we do it face-to-face, they're your budget options. Obviously, face-to-face is more expensive than it is your online. You've just got to work with your budget. When we do come to you face-to-face, we do year-long mentorships with you. So we work within your own grounds. We tailor it to your curriculum. We look at your school improvement plan, where you want to go, what your children's needs are, what your staff's needs are, and it's a very much tailored, supportive, really get to know you friendship in order to help you get your outdoor learning embedded. So yeah, if you want to learn more, it's www.themuddypuddleteacher.co.uk. Come and join us. We've got a 100% success rate in our schools. All of our schools are Sustainavit. Some of them are now been teaching using our approach for 5 to 6 years now, and it's all going well for them. So yeah, come and jump on board. If it's outdoor learning you want, then we're the outdoor learning dream you need. And remember, everything comes with a subscription to all of our resources and demo videos.